Sending cold messages on LinkedIn but not getting replies back. Whether you want to generate leads or network, I'm going to share 5 templates to help you increase your response rate. The first one is a hyper-personalized sales template. Hey Michael, great to be connected. I just checked out X on Product Hunt and I'm completely obsessed. Incredibly valuable product, and the fact that you can ditch bloopers just by deleting the text, mind blown. My team and I are relying a lot on videos in our outbound, so what's your plan on how to go and grow from now? So here you have an icebreaker that is different for each of your leads. And your goal is not to try and make a sale, but build a relationship with your prospects so you can offer the best offer possible to them. But if you're on reaching out to your top tier prospects and can easily put your leads into buckets, you can create more general messages that will still apply to your leads, like this personalized sales template. Hey Jeff, I just read about your office opening in Madrid and that you're hiring 260 people this year from your website. Congrats to you and the team. Very curious to know what helped in this decision and what tactics you're using to scale your sales team. I'd love to get your insight to see how we can do this in the future. This time you have a personalized sentence based on profile and/or company info, plus a question related to this that you can easily replicate. You aren't being too salesy, but you're still being professional. You focus on your lead and add value for them. By doing this, you're building trust and creating relationships. If you want to send your cold message to network with someone, here's a networking connection request template. Hey Lucille, I'd love to connect with you. It looks like you have done some great work with Lemlist and I'd love to follow your work with them. I'm hoping to educate myself a bit more on marketing for projects and could use all the help I can get. You use indirect flattery to encourage them to approve the request. By mentioning you want to improve these skills, it implies they have the content to help you do that. So it also appeals to the human side, because who doesn't want to help someone improve themselves? A little tip for networking requests: try to show the benefits for both parties, so they know they're getting something too. Once they accept your connection request, you can reach out to start networking with a message like this networking message template. Lucille, I've seen your work on Lemstash and it's incredible. I would love to discuss your experience as a creative marketing manager for Lemlist and how you handled such a project. I also saw that we both have a passion for international interaction from your experience with having part of your master's degree in Singapore. So cool. Do you have 15 minutes for a coffee chat? Talk soon, Brianna. This follow-up message bounces off the first message by adding to the admiration and establishes a mutual connection, which automatically adds trust and humanizes you a bit more. Usually, this kind of invitation works well because people are keen to talk about themselves and their experiences. A little tip: you can add a PS that further establishes a win-win scenario to get more replies. For example, I could say, PS, I'm not just reaching out without sharing something in return. I'd be happy to share all of my marketing experience working with international companies. Not only are they helping you out to develop professionally, but they will also learn some things in the process. It's the perfect win-win. You can also use LinkedIn messages to connect with people in the same group as you. This one is a great option because you already have a mutual connection to mention. So here's the LinkedIn group member template. Hey Pedro, I noticed that you're also a member of the Scrum study group. I'm really interested in the Scrum process, and lately I've seen this changing so much because of the pandemic. Are your daily Scrum and planning focus sessions going as usual, or are you guys finding new methods to make the process more digital friendly? This message establishes your connection and opens up the conversation. It makes the tone more friendly and points out a topic you know members of this group are really interested in at the moment. So when sending call messages, always keep in mind to write personalized and valuable messages to build a relationship and highly increase your response rate. If you have any struggles with LinkedIn call messaging, let us know in the comments so we can help.